So guys, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not yet subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you are yet to also follow me on Telegram, I will put the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, follow me on Telegram. And if you are also interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If in case you're interested, then follow my link, click on the link to my Patreon channel that will be in the comment section. So once you unsubscribe with us, you can subscribe with us for free for good 7 days. You will be able to trade with us. Now with this GBPUSD, at first I was expecting to literally drop. Unfortunately, we did not have that drop, but we had the drop on Euro USD because I actually explained it to you guys that we should be expecting some bullish move on DXY. And when you go to DXY give us a bullish move on Friday. So with that, we expect every other currency pairs we are trading to DXY or USD should fall. Euro USD actually gave us that fall, but GBP USD did not because GBP also saw good amount of bullish move on that Friday. But anyway, this week we will want to see what this GBP USD will be moving. And guess what? We will be taking out this ice. So they definitely GBP USD needs to break this ice. Now take a look at what we'll be expecting. Let's start with the fundamental aspects. So this is on Forex Factory. So one thing we'll be expecting first on Tuesday, this will come out on Tuesday, which is the claimant count change. We can see it right. I think it has to do with this unemployment related benefit, something like that, for those of you that will know. So if in case it does not come out fine, right, or if it comes out high, which I don't think. But anyway, we can see. I can't really predict. I don't want to say okay, this will happen, because if in case it does not happen, well, I might be faulted. So we will be expecting major news on GBP on Tuesday, which will have very, very effects on GBP USD. Same that Tuesday, we would also be expecting CPI, which I believe personally, I think it will come out low. I expect it to actually drop, due to the fact that interest rate has been increasing. So I expect it to also take effect. So CPI month on month should actually decrease. They are also expecting a decrease here, which I'm also expecting. We can also see CPI year on year. We can also see core CPI. So then we'd also be expecting BOE speech, something like that. So which is going to have a very, very volatile effect on our GBP USD. Then on Wednesday, I think we'll be expecting GDP month on month. We can see it. Then we'll be expecting core PPI also, which will have an effect on our USD. Then we'd also be expecting federal fund rate. So basically, there's going to be a lot of volatility, and that movement that I am predicting, basically, I'm predicting a bullish move on GBP USD. That means GBP USD needs to give us an uptrend move. It should actually give us good amount of a bullish move. Now, if this federal fund rate still remains the same, right, then I expect USD to actually drop. In case DXY wants to fall, by the way, so once you go to your technical, you will see that DXY wants to fall. So if in case DXY fall, that will give way for a bullish move on our GBP. Then let's see on Thursday. I don't think we will be expecting more. I think yes, we'll be expecting one, you see, core retail sales and unemployment claims and everything. Then Friday we'd also be expecting. So basically, there's going to be a lot of volatility on GBP USD. But with this movement, we are predicting the movement to the upside. So this is where I said we will be breaking this ice. Though we are going to take one of those trades that we will be taking for this week should be GBP, JPY, and GBP USD. That is if you can get a good entry point, get this thing. So if in case you're interested in trading GBP USD, then you can just go to the comment section, sign up with us. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Sign up with us. We'll be able to, give out some trade, the entry point, the stop loss, and the take profit level. So if you can get a good entry, by the way. So there's going to be a very volatile movement, but the movement we'll be predicting will be to the upside. That means GBP USD needs to give us a bullish move by taking out this ice this week.